A. I see a cat. And D. I can jump and run. Big. B. I see a big dog. Away. A. The dog went away. Blue. B. I like a blue car. Can. I can run fast. Come. Can you come here? Down. I go up and down the stairs. Find. Can you find my pencil? 4. I go out for playing. Funny. Funny. Look at that funny clown. Go. I go to the park every day. Help. Help. I can help you. Here. My bag is here. I like to drink milk. In. A ball is in the box. Is. The dog is wet. It. It is very cold today. Jump. Jump. I like to jump. Little. Little. I have a little table in my room. Look. Look at that bird. Make. I make my bed every day. Me. Look at me, I have new shoes. My. My shoes are clean. Not. I am not going to play today. 1. I have one balloon. Play. Play. We play in park every day. Red. Red. My shirt is red. Run. Run. I can run very fast. Said. Said. He said let's go. See. See. I see a new pencil. The. I fed the cat. 3. I see 3 cars. 2. I go to school every day. 2. I got 2 chocolates. Up. Balloon went up in the air. We. We are playing in the garden. Where. R, E. Where's my book? Yellow. Y, E, L, L, O, W. I have a yellow pencil. U, Y, O, U. You are a good girl.
Thank you. For more videos subscribe on Kids Circle.